Oh my God, these spark plugs weren't even tight. That's probably what's wrong.
This is Bobby T, and you're watching Makeshift Garage. You're watching Makeshift Garage.
Welcome back, broskies. Hey, we paint by day and we hot rod by night. And guess what? We're back on the Jeep again. We got a little stumble going on, you know? So it was aggravating us. So I'm like, where's that why? What's going on? So I came over here to the Coil bar and I started moving it around and I'm like, wait a minute, what's going on here? And when I moved it a little bit, it would stumble. So I move it a little more, it would stumble. I move it a little more, it wouldn't. So I'm like, uh-oh, something's wrong here. Let me show you this. Thinking maybe the bolts are loose. And then I said, wait, they are. And then I said, wait a minute, all the bolts are loose. There's not threaded into anything. So I'm like, oh my God, what's going on here? I pulled it off, it came right off. And I looked in there and there's no boss. There's no boss for this thing to even bolt into. It's gone. There's nothing there. So the best I could figure is somebody switched ahead. I did a little research, I did a little reading, and what it looks like is they used to overheat and crack the heads or something. There was a head issue with the 04. So they were pulling the heads off and putting on a better head. For some reason, these heads weren't that great. I don't know. This is my guess. I know you guys, you Jeep guys out there, definitely know about this. So put something in the comments. Talk to us. Let us know. Because I'm unaware of this. This is something new for me. Jeeps are new. I'm not a Jeep guy. I know you Jeep guys can help me out on this one. So look, no nuts. Nowhere to screw the bolt into, man. There's no place. There's no boss there. There's nothing to... I mean, maybe I could weld one in, but should I really? Or should I just bag tie the damn thing down and call it a day? All I know is... there's nowhere to bolt it down, so it's got to be a different head. Yeah. The boots are soft as heck. They're kind of soft. What I really want to know is, does it work? You know, is the bar intermittent or is it working right? I'm really not sure. I wish I had another one that I could just throw in and see if it works better, if it has that miss, you know, that come and go miss. Because I know when you wiggle this, it gets a miss. So I'm guessing we could plug it back in, crank it over, stick a screwdriver in the end. Hey, I might even have one of those things that you put in there and then you put on the plug and you watch it spark. But it would be an intermittent thing, and it seemed like it was up front, like this one. All right, that's our next move. Let's see if this bar is working right. I know there must be a way to test this, so I'm gonna have to look into it. All right, so I did Google it, and the dude said, yo, pull it out, leave it plugged in, put a spark plug in it, and crank it over. You gotta ground the spark plug out. And if you see a spark, you know, you got that one's good, then you move it to the next, move it to the next, move it to the next, and you go right through the whole thing. I probably should take a look at the spark plugs that are in here and see how they look. Ooh, it's kind of loose, man. That spark plug was very loose. I wonder how this one feels. Oh my God, these spark plugs weren't even tight. That's probably what's wrong. I should probably just tighten them up and put it back together and fire it up and see if it... The spark plugs have to be grounded. So if they're not tight and you move the bar, I think that's the problem, man. And that's why it was when you move the bar, it doesn't change the fact that there is no boss for the bolts to go in, but we can cinch it down somehow. I'll figure out how to cinch it down and make it not move around too much. Let's just take a quick look at these spark plugs anyways. Might as well. And they were so loose, I didn't even have to crank the, you know, it was, oh, come on. That plug looks perfect. Looks brand new, really. It looks pretty new. You know, it's used, but it's perfect. All right. Well, let's see what we can do. I think it just wasn't tight. Let's see. Let's get them started. Hold on. And this time we'll tighten them up a little bit. Yeah, they weren't tight at all, man. I don't want to over tighten them, but I feel like they were loose for so long. I need something to stand on, man. I am vertically challenged, bro. Whew. Let's see if I can get in there. Oh, that one was loose too. Yeah, it was loose, man. Somebody else couldn't get back there, and they never finished tightening it. So it was probably getting a little blow by too. Let's see if that makes a difference. It'd be a miracle if that was the problem and it made a difference. Let's see. Plug it in, bro. Let's go. All right, let's see. We got to get this up and in. It's a little tricky. You got to wiggle, jiggle, 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 wiggle. Get the thing in. And then once you get it in, you could plug it in while it's like this. Yep. Just plug it in and then spin it around. I could bag tie around here and keep it tight. I could cinch it. So there might be two spots I could bag tie it to. So let's see.
Sounds better.
Let's sound better. Started right up very nicely. Sounds better. No miss. That might have been it the whole time. Somebody was messing with this, and that's why they parked it. It had issues. Neutral safety switch was no good. The camshaft sensor was no good. It had like all these little tiny issues, and they weren't troubleshooting it and fixing them. You got to get them one at a time and go after them. So then I felt a miss, and I said, wait a minute, let's see. And I wiggled the bar, and I'm going to try to wiggle it right now and see if I can get that miss to come back. And I said, wow, something's wrong with the bar or something's wrong. And then I realized the bolts didn't bolt down. There was no bosses behind it. So that leads me to be a detective and think someone switched the head. Which then I read about it, and that was a thing. People were switching the heads because the heads that came on these were cracking. I don't know why. Anyways, let's see. I'm wiggling it, no miss. She's good. Mystery solved. Hey, if you like what you see and you want to see more, make sure you go over to YouTube, subscribe, hit the little bell. Every time we put something up, you'll get a notification. If you got this issue as well, you can zip tie it, and that's the cure. Fixed. Woo! And that's how we do it at Makeshift Garage. We make shift happen.